Hello students, I am Swati Shabnam, your English teacher. So in this video, we are going to understand what is a message and how a message is written. Right. So first we understand what is message. So do you know students, what is message? Many a time you message somebody by your phone, by your laptops, but do you know why it is written and what is its importance? So students, in this video we will understand everything about message. Let us understand its definition first. What is message? So the definition is already written here. A message is a short piece of information. What is message? Message is a very short. It is written in a very short form and it is a piece of information that is given to a person whom you cannot speak directly. It means what? Means I or we will give the message to a person who is not available in front of us that time. That is why we will write a message for him or her. Clear? So message can be written in two ways, or it can be illustrated, or it can be given to somebody in two ways. The first way is written and the second way is oral. Right. So in written message we will write the message on some paper by some pen and we will keep it for that person. And in oral message what will happen? We will forward this message by speaking. That will be called oral message. Clear? So in this video we will understand how a message is written. Means we will understand the written message. So let us understand it one by one. First we will understand its format, right? So as we have discussed about notice, that the notice is always written in a box, right? We had discussed it yesterday. So the message also is always written in a box. Clear? And what is its word limit? Means you have to complete your message in 50 words, right? The word limit will be 50 only. You cannot write more than 50 words. Okay. Now one by one we will understand its points, its format. So in the very beginning, what we write? We write the heading, and in heading what we write? We write the word message, MESSAGE, right? And that message is written in capital letter. Okay. And it is also written in the middle of the line. Suppose this is our box, so we will write message in the very middle of the box. Clear? Now the second point is date. So when the box is made, here the message is written. So in the left side here, over here, the date is written, and in the right side over here the time is written. The time when you are writing the message and the date when you are writing the message. So both the date and time will be written here and here. Okay. Now comes salutation. What is salutation? Salutation is Sambodhan. It is the address whom we are writing the message. Suppose you are writing the message to your mother, you will write the salutation, dear mother. Suppose you are writing to your father, then it will become dear father. Clear? So in this way the salutation is written. Now comes the body. In the message, after writing these things, we have the place for writing body here. The content means whatever we have to tell that person, whatever we have to inform that person, that information is written in the body or content. Clear? Now at the very end we do the signature. How the signature is done? It is done by writing the name of the person who is writing the message. Suppose I am writing the message, so I will write my name. Suppose you are writing the message, suppose Amit is writing the message, so Amit will write his name. So in this way the format of message is done. Now let us understand its practical format. So here you can see the practical format of message, how it is done. So in the very beginning what we do, we make the box, but we don't close this one. Okay, this line is not closed. This line is closed only after completing the message. Okay, when you have written your name, after that this line will be closed. So we will write the word message in the very beginning. It is written in the middle of the line. You can see here the word message is written in the middle and it is written in capital letter. Then we write the date. So today is 25th April 2020. We have written it here in the left side. This is left side and this is right side. So we have written it in the left side. Date is written here and in the left side the time is written. Then we write the salutation, right? Then we address that person whom we are writing this message for. Suppose you are writing this message for your sister, so you will write dear sister. Suppose you are writing it for friend, you will write dear friend. Okay, then the body or the content means then the information is written here. Whatever you have to inform that person, that information is written over here. And then at the end we write the name of the writer. If you are writing the message, you will write your name. If the name is given in the message, you will write the same name. Now let us understand it through a question. See, this is the question that I have written it for you as an example. Let us understand it. So what is the question? You have to read this following conversation. This conversation is between two persons. Who are they? One is Rosie, another is Rihanna. So you have to read this conversation between two girls, and then after reading this conversation you have to write the message. Let us understand this conversation, what they are talking. Rosie is saying, hello, is it this number? So this is the number that Rosie speaks. So she says after calling that, am I talking on this number? Then Rihanna says, yes, please, who is it there? Now Rihanna is saying that yes, you are on right number. So who are you? May I know your name? Then Rosie says, I am Rosie, a friend of Roma. Where is she? Now Rosie says that my name is Rosie and I am friend of Roma. So Roma lives with whom? Roma lives with Rihanna. Okay. So now Rosie is asking, where is she? Means where is Roma? Now Rihanna says, oh sorry, actually she has forgotten her mobile here. She has gone to market. Can I help you please? So what Rihanna informs her? She says that sorry, but Rihanna has forgotten her mobile in the room only and she had left for the market. So you tell me, what is the matter? How can I help you? Then Rosie says, oh sure, in fact I wanted to convey her that today's music classes shall be suspended because the teacher is not well. Instead, it will be held on Sunday. So she should remember it. Could you please pass this message to her? Now Rosie is saying that I had to give a message to Rihanna. So what was that message? The message is that the class of music was suspended, right? And what is the reason of the suspension of the class? The teacher was not well. That is why the class has been suspended and now the class will be held on Sunday. So this message she has to give it to Roma. Rihanna has to give this message to Roma, which has been told by Rosie. Okay. Then Rihanna says, oh sure, thank you. Then Rihanna says, okay, sure, I will give Roma this message. Then Rosie also says, thank you too. Then Rosie also thanks her and they hang the phone. Now, As Rihanna is going to her dance classes, she needs to reproduce the message for Roma. Write the message on her behalf with every detail. Now the question is saying that Rihanna also has to leave for her dance classes. She is also going to her dance class. So she will write a message on a paper. For whom? For Roma. So you have to write, you have to be Roma, and then you have to write this message on her behalf. So let us understand how this will be written. So as I have told you the format of the message, that first the word message is written in capital letter, then we write the date in the left hand side and time in the right hand side. That is clear. Now we will write the salutation. So whom we are addressing this message? We are addressing it to Roma. So dear Roma, we have written. Now what was the message? The message was that your friend Rosie called in your absence. Means when you were not present at home. Who has called? Rosie has called. And why she has called? She has called to inform you that your today's music class has been suspended because the teacher is not well. So this was the information that Rihanna had to give Roma. So that is why Rihanna writes here that the music class of that day had been suspended and it will again be held on Sunday. So she wants you to remember it, right? And then Rihanna signs over here and the message completes. So hope you have understood this message writing, students. Now I will also give you some questions so that you can write it yourself for your better understanding. Thank you.